Hi guys, I am Isha Rose and I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is the author and writer. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at the United States. She is author, inspirational speaker and writer. Till now she has written 8 book titles of her books which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is AESHASHAH, and my today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Aisha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, which targets each and every age group of the peoples, and I am providing short preview of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. August 16. A musician must create best music. An artist must paint something amazing and inspiring. A poet must write the great poems they can if they are to be ultimately at peace with himself. Work is that which you dislike doing but perform for the sake of external rewards. At school, this takes the form of grades. In society, it means money, status, privilege. The fact is that people are good. You should give people affection and security. They will give back affection and be secure in their feelings and their behavior. August 17. We may define therapy as a search for value. Good psychology should include all the methodological techniques without having loyalty to one method, one idea, or one person. Dispassionate objectivity is itself a passion for the real and for the truth. We fear of ourselves. We should fear to know the fearsome and unsavory aspects of ourselves. I think we fear even more to know the godlike in ourselves. If you think only of evil, then you become pessimistic and hopeless like a fraud. August 18. If you think there is no evil, then you are just one more deluded Pollyanna. A first-rate soup is more creative than a second-rate painting. Human nature is not nearly as bad as it has been thought to be. Rioting is a childish way. You can try to be a mature, but it takes time to rise out of the hell of hatred and frustration and accept that to be a mature you don't have to riot. It is an unnecessary for man to live in beauty rather than ugliness, as it is necessary for him to have food for an aching belly or rest for a weary body. August 19. With my childhood, it is a wonder I am not psychotic. I grew up in libraries and among books, without friends. What we need is a system of thought that can bind humans together. I am someone who likes plowing new ground and walking away from it. The big thrill comes with the discovering. August 20. All money is a matter of belief. The real problem of a poor is the poverty of their aspirations and negativity and lack of ambition itself. It is not from the benevolence of the butcher, the brewer, or the baker that we expect our dinner, but from their regard to their own interest. Humanity is the virtue of a woman, generosity is the virtue of a man, science is the great antidote. It removes the lack of knowledge and superstition. Okay, guys, I own nothing of author Aisha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 book titles, read it, and inspired my life. And wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.